It's a perfect situation to make musical sounds.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to Fabric Friday. I am attempting something I haven't made before, and I've got a pattern for it, and I laid it out yesterday. And last night I was talking to a friend of mine, and she suggested actually going through the different steps I take with a brand new sewing pattern that I've never done before, and it may help people. And this is the pattern that I've got. Hope you can make it out all right. It's for a denim jacket, and it's a simplicity pattern. So if anyone's interested in seeing what I normally do and how it goes for me, then I'll do some videos and show you how I've got on. Hey.
It's a perfect